The ultimate guide to building wealth in your 20s. Building wealth in your 20s is super important because it lays the groundwork for financial stability and success. This time is crucial for developing habits and making choices that shape your financial future. Today's video gives you an easy way to start building wealth in your 20s. It helps you through this important time and sets you up for long-term success. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications before you watch so you don't miss any future videos. Understanding wealth building. Wealth building means growing your assets and reducing your debts over time. Assets include things like savings, investments, and real estate that increase in value or generate income. Liabilities are debts that drain your resources. The goal is to increase your assets while keeping your debts low. Setting financial goals. Setting goals is like creating a roadmap for your money. You decide what you want to achieve, whether it's saving up for something fun like a vacation, something practical like a new car, or something big like retirement. Writing down your goals and setting a timeline helps you stay on track and gives you something to work towards. It's like having a destination in mind so you know where you're headed and can stay motivated along the way. Creating a budget. A budget is key to managing money. Track what you earn and spend to see where your money goes. Divide your spending into needs, like rent and groceries, and wants, like eating out and entertainment. Try to save at least 20% of your income. Budgeting apps can help make this easier. Check your budget regularly to stay on track and make changes if needed. Building an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a financial safety net for unexpected expenses, like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Try to save up for about 3 to 6 months of your usual living expenses. Keep this cash in a special savings account with high interest, not in your regular checking account. You can start saving with small amounts and add more over time. Managing debt wisely. Debt can hinder your wealth-building efforts. If you have student loans, credit card debt, or other obligations, create a plan to pay them off quickly. Focus on high-interest debt first, as it grows the fastest. Consider strategies like the debt snowball, paying off the smallest debts first, or debt avalanche, paying off the highest interest rate debts first. Investing early and regularly. Investing helps you grow wealth gradually. The sooner you begin, the better because of compound interest. Understand investing basics like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Even small, regular investments can grow big. Spread your investments to lower risks and get more returns. Learning about investment options. It's important to understand different investment choices. Stocks have high growth potential, but come with higher risk. Bonds are safer but offer lower returns. Mutual funds and ETFs provide diversification, which helps reduce risk. Real estate can be a great long-term investment, offering rental income and property appreciation. Developing multiple income streams. It's risky to depend on only one way to make money. Look for ways to create additional income streams, like side jobs, freelance work, or investing in assets that generate income, such as dividend-paying stocks or rental properties. Diversifying your income can boost your financial security. Continual learning and skill development. Investing in yourself is key to building wealth. Consistently enhance your abilities and understanding to boost your capacity for earning. This can involve further education, getting certifications, or staying updated on industry trends. The more valuable you are in the job market, the higher your potential income. Mindful spending. Mindful spending means thinking carefully about how you use your money. Instead of buying things on a whim, you make decisions based on what's really important to you and what will help you reach your goals. It's about choosing experiences and things that will make you happy in the long run, rather than just in the moment. This way of spending focuses on quality and things that really matter to you, so you can enjoy them for a long time. Practicing financial discipline. Financial discipline means following your budget, saving consistently, and making smart financial choices. Prioritize long-term goals over short-term desires. Starting good financial habits early makes it easier to keep them as your income and responsibilities increase. Seeking professional advice. If you're unsure about managing your finances or investing, consider working with a financial advisor. They can help you create a personalized financial plan, optimize your investments, and ensure you're on track to meet your goals. Look for a fiduciary advisor who is required to act in your best interest. Understanding taxes. Taxes can significantly affect your wealth-building efforts. Learn about tax-advantaged accounts like Roth Individual Retirement Account and Health Savings Accounts. Understand how different types of income are taxed and take advantage of deductions and credits to reduce your tax liability. Consulting with a tax professional can help you navigate complex tax issues. Embracing a long-term perspective. Building wealth takes time. Be patient and keep a long-term view. Markets will go up and down, but if you stay invested and focused on your goals, it will pay off in the end. Don't make decisions based on short-term market changes. Maintaining good health. Your health is essential for financial success. To stay healthy and reduce medical expenses, maintain a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. Get regular checkups to catch issues early and lower long-term medical costs. Have adequate health insurance to protect against major medical expenses. Protecting your wealth. Insurance is crucial for protecting your wealth. Ensure you have adequate health, auto, home, and life insurance coverage. Consider disability insurance to protect your income if you can't work due to illness or injury. Create a will and other estate planning documents to protect your assets and ensure your wishes are carried out. Staying flexible and adapting. Life can be unpredictable, so it's important to keep your financial plan flexible. Regularly check your goals, budget, and investments to make sure they fit your current situation. Be ready to adjust your plan when things change, like if you get a new job, move, or have unexpected expenses. Keep an emergency fund to help with sudden costs and review your insurance regularly. Stay updated on market trends and economic changes that could affect your investments, and don't hesitate to seek professional advice when needed. Keep learning about new financial tools and strategies to make sure your financial plan stays strong and adaptable. Planning for retirement. Even in your 20s, it's important to think about retirement. The earlier you start saving, the less you'll need to contribute over time due to compound interest. Use retirement calculators to estimate how much you'll need. Aim to save 15% of your income for retirement, increasing this percentage as your income grows. Consider consulting a financial advisor for a personalized retirement plan. Giving back. Donating to charities can be a smart way to build wealth. It feels good to help others and can even save you money on taxes. Set aside some of your money for causes you believe in and think about starting a special fund for giving over time. Being generous can also help you feel more positive about money. Building wealth in your 20s requires discipline, planning, and a willingness to learn and adapt. By setting clear goals, managing your budget, investing wisely, and continually developing your skills, you can create a solid financial foundation. The habits you form now will shape your financial future, so start taking steps today to ensure a prosperous tomorrow.